Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. I can't imagine anybody disagreeing with that. I mean, when you consider where the price closed relative to where it was, yeah, like I said, I think everyone would agree the bulls had a very, very nice move today. But that does lead to the very rational, the very logical conclusion of, but does the price have any sort of true power? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind this move? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type price movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $2.38. Why is $2.38 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.38. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this channel that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, not saying it will, but let's just pretend that there's a pretty drastic pullback and the price comes all the way down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have still? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this big base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, you'd still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I am defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $2.38. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it all pertains back to a level that I talked about on a previous analysis, which is right here at $2.60. And, the power of charts, that's right where, this did ultimately act as resistance. So not saying that 260 can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up through there. If the price can break through that point, then the next level to keep an eye on is going to be the famous 200 period simple moving average, which is that pink line right there, which is key where they're being moving, so it'll keep on moving downwards and getting more and more relevant. But as things stand right now, $2.60, that key area of resistance. Any way you slice it, though, very nice move on the bulls' part. Now things transition to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.